Dizziness and vertigo are becoming very common around the world, but why is that? I've talked to other doctors, as well as several nurses who are patients, and they all say the same thing. These problems often come with some strange symptoms. You might feel brain fog, have trouble focusing, hear ringing in your ears, or have some weird stomach issues all at the same time. If this sounds like you, let us know in the comments below. For now, let's talk about the two main problems in the neck that can cause dizziness and vertigo. First, there's a nerve called the vestibular cochlear nerve that comes from the brainstem. This nerve helps with hearing and balance. The top part of your neck is not aligned properly. It can cause problems with the brainstem, which is right where the nerve starts. The second issue is with the small muscles in your neck called the suboccipital muscles. These muscles help your brain know where your head is in space. When the upper part of your neck is not aligned right, it can send the wrong signals to your brain. This can make you feel dizzy because your body is not responding normally to gravity. With our special form of care, our first priority is fixing and stabilizing the upper part of your neck. We take a careful look at how the neck is misaligned. With a gentle adjustment, we can help put everything back into the right place. After we make the adjustment, we keep track of your progress over time. Our goal is to help your nervous system work better. We can help improve blood flow and spinal fluid flow to the brain with these unique tailor-made adjustments. If you've been having these problems, we've seen many cases like this over the last few years. If you've seen ENTs, had MRIs or CT scans, and nothing is wrong with you on them, we might be able to help. However, we cannot help everyone. For example, some people have BPPV, which is caused by crystals in the ears, which we can't help with that. But we've had good results with Meniere's disease and other similar cases. We are located in the Tampa Bay area. If you want to see us, feel free to reach out. We have patients who come from all over the state. If you can't travel, let us know. We can try to find someone who can help you in your area. So please reach out, leave a comment, and tell us your story below. We'll see if we can help you if you've been feeling dizzy or having vertigo problems lately.